Suppose you wanted to solve x squared plus 5x equals 3x plus 9 accurate to 3 decimal places using the TI-83 calculator. One way to do that is to use what's called the zero method. To use the zero method, you need to rewrite the equation so that there is 0 on one side. In other words, for this equation, we would need to subtract 3x on both sides and subtract 9. Our equation would become x squared plus 2x minus 9 equals 0. We then go over to the calculator, click on y equals, and type in the equation, x squared plus 2x minus 9. Notice we don't type in the equals 0 part. And draw a graph. This equation equals 0 at the spots where the y value is 0. In other words, at the spots called the x-intercepts. To find these x-intercepts, which are also very often called zeros, we go into this calculate menu, second trace button, and we find the 0. It asks us for a left bound. Let's say we're trying to find this 0 right here. A left bound would mean move the cursor somewhere to the left of that 0. So you use the blue arrows, you move it somewhere to the left and hit enter. It then asks for a right bound. So you move somewhere to the right of that 0 and hit enter. Finally, it asks for a guess. You get close and hit enter. And there's our first answer. X equals negative 4.162. Or, now we need to find the other answer, this answer over here. To find this answer over here, we go through the process again. Second, calculate, which is on the trace button, use the 0. We need a left bound, so we want to be somewhere to the left of this spot. This will work. It's a long way to the left, but it'll work. Somewhere to the right, so we move over some more. Now we're over here to the right of the spot, so we hit enter. Finally a guess. Calculator thinks briefly and tells us that our second answer is x equals 2.162.